We are back. I am back. Took a couple hours to get unloaded because it was windy as all hell. Another small crew weekend. Sun's just about to go down, but look at that sky, man. That is freaking awesome. Alright, I'm gonna get my stuff set up. Got my tires swapped over. A new flag. Hopefully that survives the weekend. We got the fire going. Yeah, that's good. Well, as expected, the wind stopped and the dunes look freaking awesome. Not too many people here. Super Bowl weekend. We got kind of a small group, but not too bad. We got Bud, Greg, Gary, Theron, and Craig just rolled up. So 1, 2, 3, 6 buggies. Not too bad. Like I mentioned, it is Super Bowl weekend. The only Super Bowl I care about is right out there. Where these guys do Super Bowl every year. Yeah, I'm not going to be staying around for that. Short weekend for me, Friday night to Sunday, but better than nothing. Bud vacuuming his car or doing something over there. Everyone's gearing up. Greg and Gary are putting their whips on. My car is ready to go. Check out my newest addition. Put a little tablet. Rugged mount there. I'm doing that. I don't need it for Dumont, but we're going to Glamis next month and I want to have a little bit better GPS setup. So I'm hoping that stays on there pretty solid and that I can actually read it. I put a, what is that? Anti-glare protectant on there. We'll see if it's, you know, if I can see it, if it helps with navigation. I know my way around Glamis, but that's going to help with going directly towards pins when we have them. So, other than that, I put a new camera mount here instead of here, so you don't see the whip in the rear view camera. And then I moved the front camera to more driver position instead of dead center top. So it's not too different, but I wanted to get a little bit better driver perspective. And then I have my selfie camera that I might end up moving on that side on this first ride, so I can get some more shifting action, some more shots of when I'm shifting, and just kind of add a little bit more to the videos. Craig's unloaded. Yeah, Theron's getting ready. Yeah, it should be ready to go for a morning ride here in just a few. Go check out those dunes. Man, they look razored out, but awesome. Just like last month when we were out here. So, yeah, we'll get geared up. We'll go hit it. Bud's going out for a little warm up. He likes to get the, I think he does have to get the trans warmed up. Get the fluids flowing before we go freaking hammer down. I don't think we're going to be hammering down today though. We'll see.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Perfect weather.
Well, that was just what I needed this morning. The wind is kind of kicking up. Greg's got the loudest flag here. Alright, let's get this camera mounted back up. I don't know if the tablet is going to be working very well for me. It's not quite bright enough. However, it is cool to track your ride and see the tracks. We went on that ride 11.3 miles. We somehow turned 4 miles into 11, so that's pretty cool.